11 at the Vellamal White. We have the referee's second match of this edition. Yeah, this is Kalidas Perez who has started with a blow of the whistle, and of course, Raider Surya. From the last match we have seen, he has won 9 or 8 points in the first match. He has the brutal force and the power. Very, very brilliant left raider. And let's see if the left cover, left corner keeps him way off the raid point. Absolutely. And that was the Jagan who went back empty-handed. So was Surya. But then soon the action would kick off because every third raid it would be a deciding raid. This is Balamurgan for us, and that's a beautiful trap, but then that's been very well executed escape from Karpagam University raider. Brilliant multi-pointer raid. Oh, it should be a super raid, Navneet.
जी हाँ, सिर्फ सुपर 8 नहीं, ये है वेलामल सुपर 8। क्या कमाल की शुरुआत वहां पर हुई है बालामुरुगन के द्वारा, और 3 अंकों से अपने टीम का इस मैच का खाता खोला है। देखिए किस खूबसूरती के साथ वहां पर बहुत ही हाइट से
walk line and came back. That shows that this team might be looking for a super tackle opportunity, because when you have a 3 or less than 3 defenders and it's a do or die raid, so they need to catch upon this opportunity. And will they get the super tackle? Uti's goodies, super tackle. This is very, very beautiful one coming in from NA Academy. That means you get 2 tackle points and also 1 revival for the team. Let's get back to the action replay. Corner to corner where the raider was anticipating a touch, but then the center player came in with a surprise.
करते हुए, और क्या एनए अकेडमी ये जो हाफ खत्म होगा, क्या करपगम को पीछे कर सकती है, ये देखना इंटरेस्टिंग होगा। 7 मिनट से कम का खेल। एन शंकर यहाँ पे रेड लगाने के लिए 5 नंबर जर्सी में नजर आ रहे हैं और पकड़े जाएंगे।
फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड 3 पॉइंट्स। यू आल्सो यू वांट रिव्यू?
क्या वेलामल सुपर रेड है ये।
6 10 and 7 Adasep 3 points Karpagam University. Just number 6 10 and 7 outs.
There's a second super raider, Vellamal super raid for the raider. Look at the way the thigh hold went wrong, the support came late.
खास रहा है।
Absolutely, SRM University, they have shown their skills on just not on the local tournaments and the national tournaments, but also for the university level tournaments as well. So I think that's a beautiful initiative. That's what we're talking about. These universities, we are giving lot of importance for this sport. Especially, we have seen it. This is a clean sweep for Karpagam University, and this is the first all out for the Karpagam University.
All out NA Academy.
Corner, in fact, came in with a swift response for that tackle.
जी हाँ, 19 और 11 का स्कोर, और यहाँ पे पटक दिए गए हैं बिल्कुल सेल्वा कुमार।
1 point NA Academy.
Is a right raider. Look at the right cover. Where is he standing? And oh my God! As we know, if it's a trap, you need to have lovely coordination between the right cover, the right corner. We see that there was no coordination at all. The right cover went back, but then it should have been talked about just the attack. That's where the right corner would have been prepared for it. Finish. So anything could happen. Abdul goes back empty-handed. And I think it's NA Academy's Raiders who need to challenge the defense of Karpagam University now. And why not? It is a do-or-die raid from Dinesh.
जी दिनेश, डू और डाई रेड में क्या यहाँ पे कुछ और यहाँ पे पूरे टीम कॉम्बिनेशन के साथ कोई मौका नहीं था दिनेश के पास।
Absolutely. Look at the way the left corner pounced on the double ankles and solid grip. There was no, and the left corner has taken the charge of the defense. Our super tackle opportunity now for Karpagam University. They have done it before and they have the opportunity now. Saktivel Tangavel is the raider, and of course, this is the second super tackle. And this is Uti's Goodies super tackle for Karpagam University.
Super tackle.
Brilliant job.
2 points.
They haven't
Karpagam
let the points
University.
go at all. 2 points and a revival too. So that means they have come out of the danger of the all out. Look at the frontal block, the lovely
Hey.
stance, Kabaddi Kamal moment, ease my trip, Kabaddi Kamal moment. Frontal block now needs a turn into a back hold, and look at the follow through action from both the players. Yeah, and now first duade raid sequence will come for Karpagam University. So that's where NA Academy need to take the advantage of, and this is the time. It's a super tackle opportunity. Do not let go this opportunity, otherwise it would be tough one. And this is the which is good. He is a super tackle for NA Academy, and it should be for me. It should be the Isma Trip Kabaddi Kamal moment as well, because it has opened up the window for a comeback for the NA Academy. Of course, the support. And now, the Raider from Karpagam University had to cross the box line to win this match, but then they win it comfortably here. It's an all-out. It's a super raid. Oh my God, Belaman Hospital, super raid. It's a 6-pointer. 4 touch points and sweeping out all the 4 players. It's 2 more additional points for the all-out. Woo! Kabaddi Kamal moment, dying seconds of the match as well. So that's what we say. Every second is so impactful in Kabaddi.
8 पे चला जाएगा.
That's what the losing team NA Academy do not even get a point from here. But then for the victory. And